നമ്മൾ ഫുൾ ടൈം കവറിങ് ആണ്. വേറെ മൊബൈലില്ലേ നിങ്ങളടുത്ത്? എന്നാ നോക്കൂ സുനിൽ, തുടങ്ങിയ ഷോ തുടങ്ങിയ
Malaysia. Here we go.
Flag hosting. Flag hosting.
Good job.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 31st Independence Day അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ Independence Day.
Mr. Green, our lessons of our question cockatoo. Now this is Mr. Green and his trainer, Mr. Ravi. Now Mr. Green, what do you have to say to the audience? W.
Oh, welcome.
C-O-M-E. Welcome. We can just welcome you all to our first show. But that's not all. Mr. Green here is going to do an acrobatic trick. Let me ask Mr. Green here first. Mr. Green, over here. Are you ready? Are you sure? Alright, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let's jump to the next ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, a big hand to Mr. Green and his trainer, Mr. Ravi. A little info about the white cockatoo just now. It is very easy to identify the gender of the bird by looking at its eyes. Male has dark brown eyes while female has red eyes. Now please welcome my little friend here. His name is Coco, our yellow-named Amazon parrot, with his trainer, Mr. Raihan. Okay, now this is Coco.
നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയിട്ട് അതിനില്ല.
Okay, Coco. Now, look at the audience. Okay, now Coco, do you have something to say to everyone? Hello. Alright. Now Coco, I see that there are some ladies here now, Coco. What about for the pretty ladies? Can you give them something sexy? Bye. Now Coco, now let's give the ladies heart, okay? Good, alright? Now, what about for the little ones, Coco? I see that there are some children here. Now, give them something happy, okay? Okay, hello. Now, Coco, how are you feeling today? Good or not? Good. Coco feels good. Now, do all of you feel good too? Yes? Alright, now, Coco, if you feel good, you must be feeling happy, right? Now, show them how happy you really feel, okay? From your heart. Coco is laughing because he's very happy. Please give a big hand to Coco, our yellow-named Amazon parrot. Thank you, Coco. Now, up next, we're going to be doing something even more interesting. We're going to have a racing competition. Okay, now let me see what I can grab here. Alright. Alright, thank you. Now, I'm going to divide you all into 2 groups of supporter team. Team Popeye and Team Ringo, okay? Gonna be cheering for them, alright? Now let's see. It looks like I'm sitting this side. Starting right here. From here and all the way to my right hand side, all of you be cheering for Popeye. Shout Popeye's name 3 times. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Can you do that? Okay, that's serious, alright? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Very good, yeah. Okay, he's happy. Thank you. Now, Popeye, those are your cheerleaders, okay? Now, for the rest of you on my left-hand side, all of you be cheering for Ringo. So, Ringo's name 3 times. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. Can you do that? Okay, you must be louder than the next few, alright? Let's hear it. 1, 2, 3. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. Yeah, very good. Thank you. That was awesome. Now, trainers, your pose, okay? Your pose. We're going to start the race. Now, cheerleaders, are all of you ready? Yes? Alright, now trainers ready? Okay, now on your mark, get set, go! Alright! if you think that Ringo is technically smart, put up your hands. Put up your hands. Please give a big hand to Popeye. Anyway, boys hard work. Sorry, Popeye. Now, Popeye works hard, but Ringo plays smart. So what do we have for our winner here? You did a good job, Ringo. Now, this is Shanti.
Garas.
Okay, let's go with Shanti first.
Shanti.
Alright, Shanti? Ladies first, okay? All the way to the top, Shanti. All the way. Now, show them how you do it. Sideways. Okay, now Ringo, your turn. All the way, Ringo. Alright, now what's your style? Paper. Shanti's going for a second round. Okay, good job. Alright, please give a big hand to Shanti and Ringo. Now Shanti is floating right now, so her feathers doesn't look very pretty, but don't worry, it'll grow back later on, alright? She'll do this twice a year, so it's a little bit more sensitive to new feathers than our other macaws. Okay, thank you very much, Shanti. Thank you, Ringo. Thank you, Mr. Kokon. Now, up next is welcome our ring macaws. The name is Poppy and Judy. Alright, now these are larger macaws, the green wings. Okay, now Mr. Reinhardt, what do you have for the both of them over here? Oh, looks like a sorry, we have a basketball pole. You play basketball, right? Now that's Judy on the stick and Poppy on the hand. Now Judy on this side is slightly larger than Poppy. Okay, turn around. Alright, ready? Okay, let's go. Poppy's going for the first ball. Come on, Judy. Don't you want to take the ball? Right over here. Judy! You took the ball from Poppy. Okay, one score over there. Second one. Judy! Judy's just lazy. Okay, two scores, last one. We'll let Poppy do this, alright?
Nice.
Okay, good job. A big hand to Poppy and Judy. Very smart move, very smart. Thank you very much, alright? Now up next is you have Poppy here with us. Now for Poppy, we have some color wooden blocks. Poppy's gonna show you the shape and put it back according to the shapes and color. Okay, Mr. Rami? Alright, let's go with the green one first. Okay, Poppy, green one first. Green,
Yellow.
yellow, blue, and red. Alright, good job, Poppy, but that's too easy, right? Hold on, Mr.
അത്
Rami.
ഈസിയാണ് അത് ഓർഡറിൽ വെച്ചു അതെ അത് ഷഫിൾ ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Last one. Okay, Poppy. Now for the challenge, think you can do this. Okay. Alright, hang on. I want to switch. Go with this one. Alright, last one. Yellow. A big hand to Poppy here. Our green wing macaw. Thank you, Poppy. Excellent job. And thank you very much, Mr. Ravi. Now, up next, we're going to have Judy again. Thank you, Poppy. Come on, Judy. Now, for Judy, we are going to test his eyesight. What we have here is 3 empty bowls and a wooden dice. Okay, Mr. Kaka, can you show them the bowls? First one, second one, third empty bowl, and a wooden dice. Now, we're going to hide the dice in one of the empty bowls, and Judy's going to try and find it. Okay, Judy? You got it? Sure? Okay. Now, concentrate. Come on, Judy. You look at it. Nice and easy, alright?
നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട് കേട്ടാ.
Okay, now everything.
Oh, I
Now we're going to do this one more time, but this time I'm going to ask Mr. Kokon to shuffle it a little faster. Okay, Mr. Kokon? Let's do this one more time, but let's go a bit faster. Ready, once again. I'm going to put the dice again, okay?
എന്തോ അതിലുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ, എല്ലാത്തിലും ഉണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Okay, got it? Sure, alright. Now concentrate. We're going to be faster, okay? Alright, keep looking at it. Put the first pen, Mr. Kokon. Okay, open up through. Ready? Alright, good job. I'm gonna have one volunteer kid, one volunteer child. We're gonna shuffle the balls.
രാകേഷ് ഏട്ടാ പോട്, രാകേഷ് ഏട്ടാ നിങ്ങളും പോട്.
Okay, can you come down? We'll go over here. Okay, please give a big hand to our volunteer here. Okay. Alright. Now, can I have your name first?
I'm Lily.
Lily. Which country are you from, Lily?
I'm from America.
America. Okay, come on, Lily. Let's come all the way behind here. Alright. Now I'm gonna walk you through what you're gonna do. First thing first, I'm gonna ask you to help me check these bowls to see whether they're empty or not. I'm gonna lift the bowls up for you. Just try to check the bottom. Empty. Alright? Now what about this dice, Lily? That's a normal wooden dice, right? Okay, now I'm gonna show you the dice. I'm gonna hide the dice for you. And then you can mix the bowls around for me. And once you're done, you just push the bowls to the front. Okay? Alright, Lily? Okay. Judy, you got this? Judy, you sure you got this? Okay, I think you got it. Alright, Judy, can you help me shuffle the bowls? Yeah, you're doing good. Okay, Judy, so keep looking at it. You're doing good. Just do at your own pace and wash up all the table edges, alright? And once you're done, you just push the bowls to the front for me. Excellent. Now, can you come over here behind you, Judy? Now, Judy, where's the dice? Make me proud. Excellent. Judy, can you come to the front, Judy? All the way to the front here. Now, Lily, hold on. Empathy from Calcutta. Thank you for participating. Let me thank you, Lily from America, as well as Johnny, our green wing McCall. Thank you. Now, McCall's have eyesight 7 times sharp. We have come to the last performance for today. And what I have here is a dustbin and some trash. Now, although we would like to entertain everyone, we also like to educate. And the most important thing is to respect our wildlife and nature. So please welcome our last performer for today. His name is Q, our blue ankle macaw. Now Q is going to show you where those trash belong. Okay, Q? Can you pick up the first one, Q? First one. Okay. Now step on it. Good boy. Second one, Q. Second one.
മടി വരുന്നുണ്ട് അത് എടുക്കാൻ നീ നടക്കാൻ
Okay. All the way.
അത് ദേഷ്യം
You saw something? I did it. Okay. Can you pick up the second one, Q? You can do it.
ഇല്ല
Is that right? Okay. Good job. Now last one, Q. Wow, last one. You can do
ഇല്ല
it.
ചെയ്യുന്നു
It's a bit skittish. Okay. Now, if a parrot can do that, so can we, alright? So please keep our environment clean. Last one, Q.
അതാണ്
Little bit
can
more.
do so you must also do it.
Excellent. And we can do Q, our blue and golden ball. Now we have come to the end of our show. I would like to introduce you to the trainers that made this show possible. Come on, my trainers. Okay, now on my far right here, I have Mr. Right hand with Poppy. On my right hand side, I have Mr. Kongor with you. And on my left hand side, I have Mr. Ravi, our senior trainer with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, yeah, okay. Now, we are done to the last performance. Alright, thank you very much for coming. And bye-bye.